Hello, my name is Teacher Rose. What is your name? Very good. Okay, now say it like this. Follow teacher. Say, my name is Anna. Yes, that's better. Good job. All right, now Anna, it's nice to meet you. Thank you. All right, Anna, can you hear teacher? All right. How about can you see teacher? Yes, that's great. All right. Good job for that, Anna. Okay, are you ready for our lesson today? Very good. That's what I like. Okay, Anna. Our lesson for today is all about birds. All right, teacher will ask you, can all birds fly? Hmm. All right, now let's find out to the next page. Look, look in the picture, Anna. What can you see? What is that? Wow, yes, that's good. All right, say it like this. I can see animals. Yes, okay, good job for that, Anna. All right, now teacher will give you this great job star. Thank you so much. Good job. All right, now teacher will ask you, what animals do you like? Ooh, okay. All right, say it like this. My animals. Very good. Again, the animals that I like is bird. Okay, now say it in complete sentence. The animals that I like is bird. Okay, now that's great. Thank you so much for that. Anna, good job. Now teacher will give you this happy star. Good job. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, look and say, what bird is it? Hmm. All right, say it. Say it like this. A magpie. Very good. One more time. A magpie. All right, you've got it. Good job for that. And teacher will give you this good job reward. Wow, Anna, you're so good. Okay, now let's go to the next page. All right, look and say. All right, follow teacher. Say, this is a magpie. One more time. This is a magpie. Okay, you've got it. Wow, good job for that, Anna. And teacher will give you this good work star. Wow, very good. Excellent, Anna. And now let's go to the next page. All right, look, and say. Follow teacher. Say two magpies. Very good. All right. How many magpies? Yes, there are two magpies. Very good for that, Anna. Say it one more time. Say two magpies. Yes, excellent. Good job for that, Anna. And teacher will give you this great job star. Wow. Good job. And now let's go to the next page. Okay, look and say. All right, now follow teacher. Say, magpies are birds. Yes, very good. Okay, follow teacher. Say, magpies are birds. Yes, that's great. Good job for that, Anna. Very good. All right, now look at the picture again. How many magpies are there? Hmm. All right, count. One, two, three, four. Wow, how many magpies are there? There are four magpies. Say, there are four magpies. Okay, now you did it. Good job for that. All right, now teacher will give you this excellent star. Thank you. Good job. And now let's go to the next page. Okay, we are going to click and say. Ready? Let's go. Okay, now teacher will click the magpie. One, two, three, four. How many magpies? There are four magpies. Okay, one more time. Say four magpies. Yes, good job for that. All right, thank you so much for that. Now, teacher will give you this great job star. Very good, Anna. You did it so good. Okay, now let's go to the next page. All right, look and say. Okay, now follow teacher. Let's say it like this. Say, magpies are birds. One more time. Magpies are birds. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's proceed to the next. Magpies can fly. Um, Magpies can fly. Yes, that's great. Very good for that. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, now let's look and say, what bird is it? Hmm. Wow, very good for that, Anna. Oh, it's a penguin. Okay, now say one more time. A penguin. Very good. Okay, follow teacher. Say penguin, penguin, penguin. Okay, you've got it. Good job for that, Anna. Alright, now teacher will give you an excellent effort star. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, now let's look and say. Okay, follow teacher. Say, this is a penguin. One more time. This is a penguin. Yes, that's right. Good job for that, Anna. And teacher will give you some happy star. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to the next page. All right, now let's look and say. Okay, follow teacher. Say two penguins. Very good. How many penguins? Two. Good job. One more time. Say two penguins. Very good. All right, now follow teacher. Say penguins, penguins, penguins. Yes, you've got it. Wow, good job for that, Anna. And teacher will give you this good job star. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to the next page. All right, now let's look, and say. All right, follow teacher. Say penguins are birds. Very good. One more time. Penguins are birds. That's great, Anna. Good job. Excellent. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, Anna, you are going to drag and say. Okay? Now, find find the correct penguin's wing. Can you find the correct penguin's wing? Circle. Drag. Okay, this one. Wow, good job for that. You you got it. You know what's the wing of a penguin. Thank you so much. Good job for that. And now let's go to the next page. Okay, now let's look and say. Ready? Very good. Okay, now say it like this. Penguins, penguins are birds. One more time. Penguins are birds. Yes, that's right. One more time. Penguins cannot fly. Very good. One more time. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, good job for that. Thank you so much for that, Anna. And teacher will give you this good job reward. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, now it's wrap up time! Yay! Wow, Anna, we are almost done, but we are going to review what have we learned today. Okay? All right. Now let's start with the birds. Say birds. Magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Very good. How about this one? Penguins cannot fly. One more time. Penguins cannot fly. Yes. Okay, teacher will ask you. Magpies and penguins. What are we gonna call them? They are birds. Wow, you got it, Anna. Thank you so much for that. And teacher will give you this happy star. Thank you. All right, now let's go to. All right, Anna, we are going to click and answer. Okay? All right, now let's start. Click, 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 click. Wow. Okay. Good job for that. All right, now let's proceed to the next. Okay. Anna, we are going to click and answer. All right, now teacher will ask you, can penguins fly? Hmm. Yes, penguins cannot fly. Wow, good job for that. Now let's proceed to the next. Okay, how about this one? Are magpies birds? Hmm. Yes, that's great. Magpies are birds. Wow, good job for that, Anna. All right, now let's go to the next. Okay. Wow, we are finished, Anna. Good job for today. And we are going to review our lesson for today. All right, now say, teacher will ask you, do you know any other birds cannot fly? Wow, you are very good. Your answer is penguins. Penguins cannot. What is it? Yes, penguins cannot fly. Wow, good job for that. And let's read this one. Say birds. Birds, very good. How about this one? Magpies can fly. Good job. How about this one? Penguins cannot fly. Yes, okay. Good job, Anna. And for that, teacher will give you an excellent star and a good job reward. Wow, we are done. Good job for today. Anna, teacher is very, very, very happy and very proud of you. I hope that you've learned something today. And I can wait to see you next time. Continue to practice and keep up the good work, Anna. Thank you, Anna, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.